Greetings, dear viewers. Today we're going to take a look at the PexCard website, specifically the PEX credit expense section, a business solution that simplifies the management of corporate expenses. The service offers virtual and physical cards with flexible limits, integration with accounting systems, and detailed analytics. PEX credit expense focuses on control. You set limits by category, e.g. fuel, office expenses, or for individual employees. The service automatically synchronizes data with platforms like QuickBooks, Xero, and NetSuite, saving up to 70% of the time spent on manual entry. Now for the numbers. Cost varies by plan. There are 3 plans. The first is prepaid expense, the second is credit expense, the third is disburse. Pluses include cash back up to 1% on categories like restaurants or airfare, and the ability to issue cards in 2 minutes. Transaction limits are flexible. PEX credit expense is suitable for small and medium-sized businesses, especially those who often send employees on business trips or purchase goods from foreign suppliers. The service saves up to 20 hours per month on expense administration. If it's important for you to control your budget without unnecessary bureaucracy, check out pexcard.com/PEXcreditExpense. Don't forget to take advantage of the trial period. Thank you for being with us. If you found the video useful, please support us by liking and subscribing to the channel. Your activity helps us to create new reviews. See you on the air.